Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 658 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited because you know that I love trying out new innovative types of makeup products, but what you might not know is that I'm actually pretty environmentally conscious. I drive a Prius and I haven't used cotton balls in probably 2 years because I transitioned to reusable cotton rounds. So I love using reusable products. I mean, I don't use plastic water bottles, I use the reusable water bottles, reusable coffee cups, everything like that. So when I saw this product right here, reusable makeup removers, I was so intrigued, so excited about this invention. So this is from the brand Face Silk, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them on this video. So they sent me this product here, which is a 4-pack of reusable makeup removers. It says, not your typical makeup remover, and we're gonna find out in this video what that means. It says, just add water. So I can do that, but that is so neat because you don't even need to use any product with it. Like, you don't need to use makeup remover solution or face wash or cold cream, anything like that, just water. So let me pull out the products. So here is what they look like. They're very soft. So I have here a cup of relatively warm water, but you can use warm, cold water. It doesn't really matter. I just know that if I'm going to be putting some water on my face, I want it to be warm. And then you just gently rub your face silk on face to remove makeup. And then the best part is that you can throw it into the wash and it can be washed up to 200 times. So every one of these you can get 200 uses out of. So 200, 400, 600, 800 uses, 365 days a year, 2.5 years, some quick math, but you know, that is so much use. And then this retails for $45, but right now on their website, they're doing a sale where it's $22.99. So $22.99 for 800 days worth of makeup wipes. That is, first of all, you save so much money, and secondly, that saves so much waste. And saving waste is so important to me. So I am so excited about this invention. So this is supposed to be some special material that just will completely remove makeup. So let's just go ahead and see if that is actually true. So you can see I'm just dipping it into the water here, and then I'm going to squeeze out the excess, and then I think I'm good to go. Okay, so I have my full face of makeup on. Let's see if it removes. It feels very soft and nice on my face. Okay, I'm gonna focus on my skin before I try and remove my lipstick. I'm very curious how it's gonna do for this lipstick. But it's definitely completely removing my foundation. Wow. I'm so impressed that this is coming off without any makeup remover product on here. That's what makes me very can that really take my makeup off without any product? But it seriously is. It's completely taking the makeup off. There goes my eyebrows. Wow. So I just took off the foundation on this half of my face, and it seriously is completely gone. Let me get, it's so easy too, the shape of it. You can see I'm just folding it and getting all the way up under my eye. Okay, I feel like it took all the makeup off. Let me take the clean side and do a swipe. Yeah, all the makeup is gone. There's nothing on here. So this is what it looks like so far. It really is just capturing all my makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dip it back in the water, and I'm really curious how it's gonna do at taking off my eye makeup, because I have on 4 different eyeshadows, an eyeshadow primer, I have sparkle glitter eyeshadow, I've got my mascara. Oh my gosh. It pretty much took it all off with that first swipe. Oh my gosh. If this can seriously get that glitter off, I'm so impressed because that glitter eyeshadow is stubborn. But it did. And it also took off my mascara. We all know how hard it is to take off mascara. And I had on my mascara primer and 2 different types of mascara. And it just so quickly and gently just took off my mascara too. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Wow, okay, let me go ahead and do my other side because we can see it really did completely remove the makeup. This is working almost too good for someone like me where at night I've been just getting so lazy where instead of doing like my full face wash cleansing routine, I've just been taking some micellar water onto one of my cotton rounds and just running that across my face and being like, yeah, okay, that's good enough. I wash my face. When really like I should actually be doing much more of a skincare routine than that, but I've just let myself get so lazy. And now that I have this product in my life, I'm gonna be so lazy because all I have to do is just quickly run this under some water and easily remove all of my makeup. Like, that's an amazing thing. It's perfect to have, but it's also just gonna, I'm sure, allow me to continue in my lazy ways. But if I'm gonna challenge myself to not be so lazy, I can use this, take off my makeup, and then go ahead and apply my serums, my creams, all of that. And then it's kind of like I'm still being lazy, skipping that step of doing the whole cleansing away my makeup. And this is so fun too that I would have no problem doing this every night to remove my makeup. Like, it is completely clean. I look so funny right now with no makeup on whatsoever, but then just this bold lip. But let's find out how this does at removing this lipstick. And I've been using this same side. I didn't use this other side at all. So that took off all of the makeup using just one side. Okay, this is actually amazing. The lipstick that I was wearing, I just kind of chose my closest lipstick when I was putting on my lipstick today, and I didn't realize that I was going to be trying out this makeup remover, and I was like, oh shoot, I chose a lipstick that like stains my lips. Like if I do a swatch of it and then I wash my hands after, like I'm left with a stain of the lipstick that I just had on. And this completely came off. It didn't even leave a stain. And this is the type of lipstick that it's just like a very pigmented lipstick that it does leave color behind, but not with this. Okay, wow, I was almost like, this product, it's gonna be a bad review because it's not gonna be able to take that lipstick off, but it actually completely took the lipstick color off. That's amazing. That's an ultimate test of this product because if it can take off a stubborn, berry toned lipstick, that just proves to me that this can take off any of my makeup. Wow, okay. So here's what it looks like. That's kind of gross. I don't know why I just showed you that, but just so you can see that it's really just holding all of my makeup in there. And my face is just feeling so clean and refreshed. And I'm just amazed. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I'm so happy to have this now. This is absolutely going to be part of my nightly skincare routine. And this is also a perfect gift to get people for the holidays too, because it's so great to just get people gifts that are gonna help the environment, you know. It'll also help them save money because they won't have to buy makeup wipes anymore. And it's an amazing like performing product. So when people try it out, they'll be like, wow, like how did I go through life without this? It's so much easier than a makeup wipe. And then of course it's better for the environment, better for your wallet. But I think I'm definitely going to be getting a bunch of these for people for Christmas. A perfect stocking stuffer. But if you've tried these out before, I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on them. Also, if you have any tips for ways to, replace waste in your beauty and makeup routines, I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. Like the reusable cotton rounds, the reusable makeup removers. Are there any other types of reusable products that you really like that you think I should try? I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.